What's going on, guys? It's Palmer back with another video. So today I found a blueprint that's actually pretty fun to use. Solos, duos, I feel like it'd be a pretty good weapon to use. Trios and quads, probably not so much. Itra burst is actually making its way around to being one of a more viable weapon. I see a lot more people using it in solos. I see a lot more people using it in duos. Well, people were using it and I wanted to try it. Ended up making a class. I realized since I bought this Cybernetic Godzilla skin that I already had a blueprint for it, which was the Cybernetic Destroyer. And I thought, let's just give it a go, right? So here we have it. It's really only two things different from the actual blueprint itself. One, the optic. I put the G16 2.5 optic on it. And two, the rear grip, I put the pine tar grip on instead of what I believe was the stippled. Stippled is pretty decent, but I like the pine tar grip because it gives you more recoil control. This is more of a rapid fire build per se. I'm sure there are more viable damage builds in this class, but because it has 36 round mag, the 303 British 36 round mag, the higher fire rate than normal. But this build, exactly how it is, was a build that I enjoyed so much. I got, what, 4 wins in one night with it? If that tells you anything, it's a fun gun to use. If you like the video, like, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do, man. Just comment, say I suck, thumbs down the thing. I mean, it all helps me out in the long run, so just do what you gotta do. Other than that, appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, this sucks, huh?
And you return to the front line. Lose and you're finished. Fight your way out of this or capture the objective. Keep your position sharp. An enemy team is tracking your location. Enemy precision airstrike. Stay alert.
Out of my lobby, buddy.
Finished. Prove you can still fight, soldier. Dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Gas is closing in. Got gas moving in.
Let's go, baby. Yeah, no, that's the Itra burst, my buddy.